Hi guys, it's Richard from Stay Safe Workshops here. Welcome to the second edition of the Stay Safe video diaries. Okay, so today's date is the 2nd of September 2018, which means if you live here in the UK and you go to school, then more than likely at some point next week you're going to be returning back to school after hopefully a fantastic summer holidays. That could be either to start a new year at school, it could possibly be starting a new school, or in fact starting school for the first time. So before that happens, myself and the Stay Safe Workshops team would just like to wish everyone out there a big, huge, gigantic good luck, guys. We hope that you've all had a fantastic summer break and you're now ready to start a new, fresh, hopefully exciting year. Which leads me on to a small piece of advice I want you guys to take with you before you go, and that is always remember the golden rule. Okay, so for the guys out there that have ever been present for any of our workshops or assemblies, you will most certainly know what we're talking about when we mention the golden rule. It's something that we talk about throughout lots of our workshops, and it's a very, very easy, small, but hugely effective and we think important rule to follow. It's called the golden rule for a reason. Because it's golden, because it's usually extremely helpful. Quite often it's the first step on the ladder to getting any kind of help. Now the golden rule, I can hear you saying to me, what is the golden rule? The golden rule, very, very short, very, very simple. The golden rule is speak out and tell someone. And I really want you to remember this golden rule, guys, because it's a rule that's going to help you. And we don't want anyone out there to suffer in silence. The golden rule, speak out and tell someone. It's really, really hard to get help if no one knows you're having a bad time. And we quite often use the golden rule to encourage children and adults, in fact, to speak out and tell someone. Tell someone how you're feeling. Tell someone if you're unhappy. Tell someone if you're worried. Speak out and tell. Now, when we say tell, it's not speak out and tell tales. It's not speak out and tell on someone. It's speak out and tell because we want you guys to tell others, whether it's a friend, whether it's a trusted adult, how you are feeling. If you're having a bad time, if you're worried, if you're upset, you've just had a bad day at school, please, please, please always remember the golden rule. Speak to someone. You always feel better when you do. It can be a weight lifted off your shoulders. Please, please, please remember the golden rule when we're going into the new school year, new term, new school even. Speak out and tell someone. It's going to make you feel a lot better when you do, and it's also going to give the people around you the opportunity to help you. Believe it or not, there's help around every single corner. Looking for it and asking for it. People like to help. We're talking about the smallest issue. Where's the toilets? I'm in a new school, I don't know where I am. To a massive issue. I'm getting cyberbullied. I'm having a really bad time. I'm getting threatened. Whatever the scenario, go to the golden rule and please use it, guys. That brings us to the end of this video. Please enjoy the last few days of your school holidays. We really hope that you're getting excited about getting back to school. Please do. Get excited about it. Enjoy it. Make the most of it. So for now, I'm going to leave you with three things. Number one, stay safe. Number two, be nice. And number three, most importantly of all, be yourself. Take care, guys. See you soon.